friends, thank you for being my channel named Sen Ganesha Practical HR and Law. First 100 subscribers. You all are welcome to be a member of my family. I hope so. Being a participant of this journey, because I started this channel on 8th November 2021. Now around almost 1.5 months have gone, and you really enjoyed. I hope so that my labor, which costs, giving good or practical knowledge to you about the traits related to HR, and so I hope so you have enjoyed this journey. In future also I will try at my level best to give you suitable or inspiring information about the tactics of human resource and practical law. Thanks for being the subscriber, and many of my viewers who have not subscribed my channel till yet, I do request to them, please subscribe my channel. And if you wish to get any information on any topic, please write down in the comment section, and this is my thanks note to all of you. Heartiest thanks. Thank you. Friends, I am very glad today because I have got 100 subscribers for my channel. There is a vast journey behind this. First of all, I completed my education. During my education period, I stayed in the hostels, and I did MA, I did MBA, I did law as well. So I was among the my classmates, my friends who were from all over India around. From one of my friends was from Jammu, from Mumbai, from Delhi, and from Bulandshahr, Muzaffarnagar, and so on. So I enjoyed their journey. I learned so many things from them. And after the completion of my education, I started my career. I went to Delhi, I went to Mumbai, I went to Jammu, even I went to Kerala. I was remained stay in Agra for a couple of years. So it was a big learning cycle which I gone through from time to time, and from that I learned a lot. But after the completion of around 12 years experience in the field of HR and law, I thought that if by the God's grace and by my parents' efforts, I have got some knowledge or good information about the field of HR, which can be useful to anybody, like for PF withdrawal, for claiming of pension of by PF, ESI, for disablement benefit, and so on. Because during my journey of experience in the field of HR, I was quite aware of this, that workers, they are making contribution towards PF and ESI, but they are not getting benefit. So I thought that I must try to find a way to give some information about the this how to avail these benefits, and about the other some day-to-day useful tactics for the human resource. So I thought that there is a way to make best use of social media, and I opted the YouTube, and I made this channel. Only before 1.5 months I made this channel, and this is really a unique, apart from education, my working knowledge and my job, this is a unique experience which I have got from here, because I really enjoyed working independently. I independently worked. I even if many times when I used to do travel by bus, so if person sitting besides me and I found that he or she is interested to be a good professional, I asked him, "Here is my channel. Would you like to subscribe it?" They said, "Yes, it's for HR. Yeah, it may be useful for us in future. We would like to subscribe it," and they do become my subscriber. And during this span of journey, I enjoyed a lot. I made videos on the different topic. Slowly I changed the style, so the viewers can be comfortable, can be means easily they can catch that what I'm going to tell to them. Beside this, I have changed my background. Even till now, you have seen 4 or 5 videos of cartoons. I tried to make some very short videos, movies, like to tell the viewers about the practical methods related to safety. Till now, I have given information related to safety, related to interviews, how to crack the interview. So I really enjoyed this journey, and around 136 videos have been uploaded by me on my this channel. And I hope so, friends, you really enjoyed, if you have got something, some good information from my videos, it's really a reward for me. And many thanks to those 100 of my subscribers for being a part of my channel. And I really request to other viewers also, please, if till now they have not subscribed my channel, they may subscribe. I hope so that they may get some useful information in regards to the practical law, day-to-day law related activities, or which may be useful to them, and for HR activities, administrative activities, that may be helpful to them. Friends, thanks for being a part, being a member of this my small journey of 1.5 months. I really enjoyed work independently without any bias in interruption. Any external, means hindrance. So earlier means I'm doing job, I have certain limitations to do a work, but here I may make use of my own education, experience, qualities, and thinking and thoughts independently. So I really enjoyed working independently on this channel. Thanks for being a part of this. Many thanks to them. Thank you. Friends, lastly, I would like to, I'm glad to tell you that when my 200 subscribers will get complete, I will give you one setup tour of my own channel. I will give you all informations about the accessories I'm making use of, while making the videos for this channel, and all the help and assistance by whom I have got the assistance, like technical support and moral support, emotional support, and all things. I will make it clear when my 200 subscribers will be completed. Hope so, friends. You will wait for that, and I will be there with you. Thank you.